It's a certified 2016 Kia Sorento. Your life requires you to be adaptive, and your vehicle should be too. This Sorento's the perfect fit for everything you need it to be. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual-zone climate control, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, heated steering wheel, automatic transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Consumer Reports finds the Sorento offers lots of interior space, yet is easily maneuverable and simple to access. Kia, commanding attention. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today. Sunset Kia of Venice. Stop in and see us today at 1179 US 41 Bypass South in Venice, Florida.